In Lua, print hello world is a statement that prints the string hello world to the standard output. The print function is a built-in function in Lua, which means you don't need to define it yourself. It's available by default. Print, this is the name of the function. Hello world. These parentheses contain the argument passed to the print function. In this case, the argument is the string hello world. When you run this Lua script, it will output hello world to the console or terminal. The print function is commonly used for debugging, testing, or simply displaying information during the execution of a Lua script. In Lua, you can use either single quotes or double quotes to delimit strings. Both of these are valid ways to write the print hello world. Both of these examples will produce the same output, hello world. To include a double quote within a string, the character must be escaped. Escaping a character means the character will be treated as part of the string rather than a Lua instruction. To escape a character, follow the steps. The backslash is used to escape the inner double quotes, indicating that they are part of the string and not the string delimiters. Using the escape character is a good practice when you need to include quotes within a string, and it helps avoid confusion or potential syntax errors. In this line, the single quote within the string "It's a lovely day" is not escaped because the string itself is enclosed in double quotes. This line prints the string "It's a lovely day," including the apostrophe without issue. In Lua, both single and double quotes can be used to delimit string literals. The choice between them often depends on the need to include one type of quote within the string without escaping it and personal preference. The escape character backslash is used to include special characters within strings without causing syntax errors or prematurely terminating the string.